Good morning students. We are reading the chapter 3 electrochemistry. In previous video we have seen about the galvanic cell. Today we will discuss about the electrolytic cell. We know in electrolytic cell electrical energy will convert into chemical energy. Let us see the figure. In galvanic cell and electrolytic cell, there is major difference between these cells. E external source is applied, but in case of galvanic cell, no any external source is applied. Okay, zinc sulfate solution, copper sulfate solution will be taken. Zinc act as a anode and copper act as a cathode. Okay, zinc is taken as positive and copper is taken as negative. Okay, and zinc act as anode or copper act as cathode. It depends upon the external source. Okay, now we see the condition. When you apply case number 1, E external is less than 1.1 volt. Okay, then electron flow from zinc rod to copper rod. Okay, and current flows from copper to zinc, because we know that the direction of current will be opposite the flow of electron. And third, the zinc dissolve at anode and copper deposit at cathode. जब हम लोग E एक्सटर्नल 1.1 वोल्ट से अगर वो लेस हो तो इलेक्ट्रॉन आपका जिंक से कॉपर की तरफ जाएगा और करंट का डायरेक्शन कॉपर टू जिंक होगा. ओके, सेकंड केस, व्हेन वी अप्लाई E एक्सटर्नल इक्वल टू 1.1, यानी अगर हम लोग एक्सटर्नल सोर्स 1.1 वोल्ट के इक्वल हो तो नो फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, एंड नो फ्लो ऑफ करंट. ओके, एंड नो रिएक्शन. ओके, थर्ड case 3, when here no chemical reaction. Okay, no chemical reaction. Now third case, when you apply E external is greater than 1.1 volt. जब आप एक्सटर्नल सोर्स 1.1 वोल्ट से ज़्यादा अप्लाई करते हैं तो इलेक्ट्रॉन विल फ्लो फ्रॉम कॉपर टू जिंक, बट इन केस ऑफ ए you will see electron flows from zinc rod to copper rod. पहले वाले केस में जब 1.1 से कम था तो इलेक्ट्रॉन जिंक से कॉपर और जिंक आपका एनोड की तरफ वर्क कर रहा था, लेकिन इस केस में जब इलेक्ट्रॉन आपका जो फ्लो होगा कॉपर से जिंक की ओर जब आप ई एक्सटर्नल 1.1 वोल्ट से ज़्यादा हो. सेकंड, करंट फ्लो फ्रॉम जिंक टू कॉपर. And third, zinc is deposited at zinc electrode and copper dissolve at copper electrode. ये आपका there are 3 main condition, and in electrolytic cell it copper and zinc both. In case 1 zinc act as anode, but in case of third case, when you apply E external more than 1.1 volt, then you will see zinc act as a cathode and copper act as a anode. Okay, thank you. In the next video we will see about the representation of an electrochemical cell, how we will represent the electrochemical cell. There are some rules we have to know about these things. In the next video we will see about representation of an electrochemical cell. Okay, thank you.